Ever wondered how to make the perfect banana bread at home? Welcome to our step-by-step guide to baking this classic treat. It's moist, flavorful, and surprisingly simple to make. All you'll need are 3 ripe bananas, a third of a cup of melted butter, a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. With these ingredients at hand, you're ready to start. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease your loaf pan. Now let's turn our attention to the bananas. Peel and place them in a bowl, then use a fork to mash them until they're nice and smooth. Once that's done, it's time to introduce the butter. Pour your melted butter into the bowl with the bananas, stirring until they're fully combined. The result? A creamy, buttery banana mixture that's all set for our next steps. Now that our banana and butter mixture is ready, let's move to the next step. Next, sprinkle the baking soda and a pinch of salt over the banana mixture. These elements are essential to get that beautiful rise and soft texture we all love in banana bread. Give it a good mix to make sure everything's evenly distributed. Now it's time to sweeten things up. Stir in the sugar, and remember, you can adjust the amount depending on your sweet tooth. Now, in a separate bowl, give a large egg a good beating. Add it to the mixture, along with a dash of vanilla extract for that extra layer of flavor. Mix until everything is well combined. We're almost there, folks. Now gradually fold in the all-purpose flour. Be gentle and avoid overmixing, as we don't want our banana bread to end up dense. Mix just until the flour disappears and the batter is light and airy. Our batter is now light and airy, ready to be poured into the loaf pan. Pour the batter into the greased loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Into the preheated oven it goes for a baking time of 50 to 60 minutes. As the bread bakes, the heat works its wonders, transforming our batter into a deliciously golden and fragrant loaf. Wondering how to tell when it's done? Just give it the old toothpick test. Insert a toothpick or knife into the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, your bread is baked to perfection. Once baked, patience is key. Remove the pan from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This cooling period allows the bread to settle and makes it easier to remove from the pan. Then, transfer the bread to a wire rack for complete cooling. This final cooling step is crucial for a well-structured, flavorful loaf that slices neatly. And there you have it. Your delicious homemade banana bread is ready to be enjoyed. Making banana bread at home is simple and rewarding. With ripe bananas, butter, sugar, and egg, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt, you can create a delicious treat. Enjoy your homemade banana bread, and remember, the secret to perfect banana bread is in the simplicity of the recipe and the quality of the ingredients.